Have you noticed how fast AI video generation is evolving?
Absolutely. We went from just 4-second clips,
To much longer videos.
and now some models can generate up to 30 seconds in one go,
30 seconds? That's a massive improvement.
especially with the latest SeaDance 2.5 model.
Right. It can generate up to 30 seconds of video, opening up so many possibilities for creators.
So how do we actually use it?
Now, let Queen show you how to use it and the amazing app she used to create us.
Imagine what 30-second video generation can do for you, especially when you are creating a longer videos that is up to 30 minutes above or 1 hour above. So on today's tutorial, I will show you an AI app that have evolved in generating 30 good seconds per video generation. Isn't that interesting? That is so interesting. And I also use it to create that podcast that you just saw from the beginning. And it was a one-shot video generation. It wasn't multiple clips, just a single video generation. And that's what I'm going to show you right now. But before we get over there, because I don't want to take your time, I don't want to waste your time, we'll be going straight into the program and see what kind of AI that I use it and the app that I use in creating it. Good part of it is that you even have this app on your phone. If you are a creator, you already have it in your phone, unless if you are not a creator. But despite that, let me show you how it is. But before we go, this is
AI Mastery Tutorial.
So we are going to create it using our smartphone. Yes, this same smartphone that you have been using to do a lot of things, you are going to use it right now to make that content. I will show you step by step exactly how I was able to create that podcast that you just saw earlier. All right, so let's head over to it. So we are going to use CapCut to create that video. It's CapCut that you do maybe wondering how will CapCut be the what I use in creating it. Remember I told you that you already have this tool right there on your phone. So look at it over here. This is my CapCut, as you all know. So we are going to move over to AI generator. So on the AI generator, it's asking you, is it AI video, images, or effects? We are going to touch on the AI video. Okay, now look at the AI video generations. These are the models that CapCut has installed inside their website. Okay, now we have SeaDance 2.5, 2.0, and all the SeaDance, they have it. Even Sora, they have View 3, they have so many of them here. So what we are going to use is the SeaDance 2.5. SeaDance 2.5 is the latest AI model that has the capacity to generate 30 seconds in one shot at once. So we are going to click on the SeaDance 2.5. And you can see the good part again is that it allows you to put on up to 30 different references, 30 different characters in one shot. That's if you are creating a long, sharp movie. Okay, so now we have gotten that. The next thing, let's look at the duration, if it's actually true. So look at the duration over here now. You can see 5 seconds, 10 seconds, 15, down up to 30 seconds. Can you see that? So I'm touching on the 30 seconds now. Okay, now here is your aspect ratio. You can choose your any part of the ratio that you want. For me, I'm using the landscape, which is YouTube aspect ratio. All right, so I choose that. I can as well decide to change the resolution either in 480p or in 720. Let's leave it at this 720p. All right, so now that we have gotten what we want, let's move over to create it. I touch on this plus sign here, and then I pick my characters. These are the characters that you saw, including their background. Okay, I drop them in here. You can see them here. Now we are going to pick the prompts that are already generated using ChatGPT. So let's go over to ChatGPT to pick it. So this is the prompt I got from ChatGPT. As you can see it, I explained to ChatGPT what I want, and it was able to give me these podcast settings, okay, that I have here. So what I'll do is just to copy everything that is here from this place. Then I move over to CapCut. Then I drop my prompt down right here. So before I send, I will need to edit this prompt. Okay, I will need to edit this prompt, especially this place that they have the short number of short 1 to this. I'm going to take all these ones out. But you can see that I have timing. I put timing on my own. You can see how I timed it. Okay, so make sure you leave your timing. So now that I have edited what I copied from ChatGPT, now I have to put in my own explanation on inside this place. So now I'm going to write this. So now you can see I've been able to add my own dialogue inside. I was able to tell them who the guy is and who the lady is and the background that I'm using by telling them that use image 3, which is the background, as the studio background. Then the guy image 1 as the guy as the image 1, then the woman at image 2 are seated each on the chair in image 3 with the microphone in front of each of them. Then I was able to explain how the characters will be, the energies, the energies and the styles of how I want the characters to be. So now that we have done this way, the next thing we'll do, so because of our credit, the credit here is too much. So let me reduce this to 480p. Okay, 480p is okay. Can use 480p on this. So now that it's very okay here now, the next thing we'll do, we'll have our images already. You can see 3 of them very clear. Now the next thing is just to hit generate. So as it's hitting generate, they're asking you that they are going to take 450 credits. Give you, if you are on pro version of CapCut, they will give you some credits to use it to generate AI videos. Okay, so these credits, I'm using the free credit that they gave to me on CapCut to create this. All right, so I confirm that I'm aware that they are going to use my credits. So it will just come out this way, asking you to wait. So just hold on a little more time and our video will be ready. So while the video is still generating, let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out SeaDance 2.5 and how you see it. How is it that it's possible for AI video to rank from 4 seconds? Remember when AI videos started, we were just using 4 seconds video, and I tell you, it was stressful. Then we moved to 6 seconds. Then we moved to 10 seconds to 15 seconds. And now we are using 30 seconds per generation. That is very amazing. And it's to go a long way for movie productions, especially for those that are into faceless channels that create movies, that create storytellings, and all of them. All right. So let me know in the comment section what you think about this tutorial. We'll be back after the generation to see how everything work out well. Perfect. Our video is ready. Just take a quick look at how the thing came out. You can see the background that I gave to them, their positioning, the way they balance, everything was so amazing. So let's look at it, and please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to share it as well. It will help us go a long way. Create our visibility by giving us a thumbs up. By so doing, you are appreciating me for bringing this new tutorial your way today. Okay, so let's see how it is. And don't forget, give us a thumbs up, share it for others to see. See you again.
Have you noticed how fast AI video generation is evolving?
Absolutely. We went from just 4-second clips
To much longer videos.
and now some models can generate up to 30 seconds in one go.
30 seconds? That's a massive improvement.
Especially with the latest SeaDance 2.5 model.
Right. It can generate up to 30 seconds of video, opening up so many possibilities for creators.
So how do we actually use it?
Now, let Queen show you how to use it and the amazing app she used to create us.